Oh my god. Hello everybody, I'm Sarah and I'm a recorder player. Today I'm going to help you choose your plastic alto recorder. I have done a lot of videos reviewing instruments, helping you choose, but I've never addressed the plastic alto specifically until today. I'll start off by saying all of the models I mentioned today in my video, I heartily recommend. You can't go wrong with them. When choosing a recorder, any recorder, I'm listening for the sound, the tuning, and the response, how well it's speaking. All of the instruments I'm mentioning today tick the boxes in all three of those. I also am only recommending recorders with the Baroque fingering system, not the German fingering system, for reasons detailed in this video. We're going to start off with a brand that you really can't go wrong with, and that is Yamaha. Yamaha recorders are very reliable across all the sizes from gark line to bass. For a similar price, you also have the EcoDeer Alto, which I reviewed before. I don't have it anymore because I think I gave it away in a giveaway. That is meant to be made of plastic that's more eco-friendly. I think the sound and how it works is quite similar as well as the price. So you could choose either. The other big name in recorder manufacturing that, like Yamaha, is very reliable, you can't go wrong, is Aulos. I have two models to compare, the 309 Bel Canto and the 709 Haka, just to kind of show you what different models in a range might sound like. So to my ears, the 309 is a little bit more bright and vibrant, but I feel like the Haka, the 709, has a bit more of a richness, maybe more of a Baroque feel. What does Haka mean? Haka was a recorder builder, and this is a model based on those historical designs. Now, alongside the big names, Yamaha and Aulos, there are smaller companies coming up doing great developments with plastic recorders. So let's start with the Music Garden recorders designed by Doris Kulossa. Doris is a handmade recorder builder, and she is a wonderful person, a wonderful builder. She teamed up with the Taiwan-based Music Garden to design their range of recorders for them. These in Taiwan are used a lot in whole group classes in schools. So a priority for Doris was developing a recorder that plays in tune whether you're blowing hard or soft. That's really important in a whole class. I did ask her how she does this, and she was like, no, that's my secret. Yeah, I chose two in transparent clear and transparent black because I think they look great. And the other smaller company coming up in the plastic recorder world is Zen-On, producing these Bressan models. Now, these are at a slightly higher price point than the other recorders I've mentioned, but they are really modelled after the historical Bressan recorders. And you can see here, I've got one in 440, modern pitch, and one a semitone lower in Baroque pitch, 415. That's really exciting if you want to get into historical Baroque playing at a manageable price point. Normally those instruments will set you back thousands. The very very top part comes off, and if you pull it out slightly, you get this really kind of airy sound. And the baroque pitch. And the last brand I want to mention today is Thomann. This is at a noticeably cheaper price point than the rest. I think the alto is €12.50 or something. Here's the thing, the Thomann recorders are very cheap, but they are a bit inconsistent. I reviewed them up here. The alto is okay, and whilst I wouldn't recommend it over the other recorders in this video, it can still be really fine, and if that is what your budget allows, I want you to be able to play. So any of these instruments, Yamaha, Aulos, Music Garden, Zen-On, Thomann, I give my green thumbs up to. I don't know if that's a thing. But to help you choose, let's do some sound comparisons. Yamaha. Aulos 309. Aulos Haka. Doris Kulossa. Zen-On. Thomann. Yamaha. Aulos 309. Aulos Haka. Kulossa. Zen-On. And Thomann. Going to attempt hold off these. So I hope this comparison was helpful, but I do want to stress we are so lucky to have all these different recorders on the market that are reliable, that sound great, that are in tune, so you can't go wrong. If you're starting out on your recorder journey, I wouldn't worry too much about this stage of the process. Buy one of these and you'll be great. Later on down the line, if you want to upgrade to a wooden recorder or even a handmade instrument, that's where you can really think, okay, who am I? How do I play? What do I want to play? Let's go for that. But these will all be great. I will put links to where you can find all of these down below, and yeah, I have reviewed all of these recorders individually, so if you want to hear more about a particular one, check it out in the description below. Just gonna put these down because my hands hurt. As always, you can subscribe to my channel by clicking on my face down here in the corner. Over here I've got a web shop where you can get cool stuff, sheet music, and even my book. And up here's some more videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye!